Hello, dear viewers. Welcome. Today, I have brought you Tigrinya plus English conversation, a visitor and a taxi conversation. Learn Tigrinya from airport to hotel. Tigrinya plus English, two advantages. English, Tigrinya, English. We can learn both. But I want to ask you to subscribe to the channel, please. Subscribe, share, and like. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much. It is your first time in Asmara and don't know Tigrinya. No problem. I'll show you what to say in a taxi from the airport to your hotel. Okay? V stands for visitor, for the visitor, and T stands for a taxi driver. Salam, taxi dere. Hello, are you a taxi? أوه نابي تخيد نقعد حال مساكا. Welcome, where do you want to go? Okay. Sunshine Hotel. كندي يرحقتو. Sunshine Hotel, how far is it? كم عشرة كساب 15 دقائق. 10 to 15 minutes. كندي يواقع. How much is the price? مثل 5 نافايل. It is 150 نافايل. هراي منغيد. Okay, let us go. هراي شانتا لك هذا? Do you have luggage? هو حالة شانتا يزلني. Yes, I have only one suitcase. هراي سقام يلنك حق زكاية. Oh, no, okay, no problem. I'll help you. إذا ما جمعت خادي أسمرا ممسا. Is this your first time to Asmara? هو ما جمرتايو. Yes, it is my first time. نقعد حال مساكا. زحات سبات نزاير هاجر لا يفتوه. Welcome. Many visitors like you like the weather here. هو بزحاتكم أخملو سمع له. Yes, it is very comfortable. I have heard that. كنتك تسألنيها. How long will you stay here? 10 معالتي 10 days. الأمام ما قشها خنتايو. What is your purpose of visit? أنا بس حاجة I'm a tourist. بس هنا Sunshine Hotel. Here we are Sunshine Hotel. Oh, بزاف مسكن. Great, thank you. دحين منهم يقولون السقف. You are welcome. إنك جنزبك. Here is the money. يغني اللي بروح أنا حوت. Ciao. Thank you and have a great stay. Great time. Bye. Have a good night. Goodbye. يكني اللي. Okay, now visitors need to focus on the following words. To say hello, the Tigrinya word is salam. To say minute, دقيق. To say taxi, to say where, نابي, وكا أبي. To say how much, كندي. To say price, waga. And say thank you, يغني لي. يكني لي, يغني لي. To say luggage, shanta. Okay? Now you can confidently take a taxi into Tigrinya. Okay. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Tigrinya lessons like this. Okay? This is what we have for today. Thank you so much. Thank you, honorable viewers. I thank you so much. Bye. Goodbye. Bye bye.